got from 7,000 to 9,000 RPM, as you can see. Oh, oh, oh. You hear that? And it's going up. Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing of Fish. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a brand new hair clipper from VGR with the model number V001. I think the future is here. Yo, nowadays small brands, they are stepping up their game. You can see small brand with a 8,000 RPM rotary motor hair clipper. But this one, not just you got 9,000 RPM motor, but you see this diameter? Here you can increase the RPM. And that's why I said the future is here. So this is the VGR V001 and the box looks like this. Somehow futuristic. See that? So in the back looks like this. So I'm gonna read some of the specs for you. This is the VGR V001 and it's rated at high speed 7,000 to 9,000 RPM professional hair clipper. Okay, at the back it comes with the oil, guide combs, charging stand, I guess a big brush, charging cable, and adapter. Charging time 3 hours, operating time 260 minutes, and here it's rated at 21 level speed, 7,000 till 9,000 RPM. So you just be turning this diameter and the RPM will be increasing. And without the blade it's more than 10,000 RPM. With the blade should be around 9,000 or 10,000 RPM. So let's unbox this hair clipper. Alright, so side looks like this, which is good. So you gotta, I guess this is the manual, because at the back it's written everything you need to know. So this is the manual. Okay, you got another manual and here, so you can read everything. See that? Inside you got 10 guide combs, as you can see, 10. This is one of it. So you got oops. You got a big brush. This is good. You got a big oil, which is also good. Charging cable here, and it's a USB-C. And the stand. So with VGR logo. Here's the clipper. Charging port. So got a USB, you can plug it direct, or inside there's no charging port, just these two metal here, just these two metal. So just like this. Which is good. In the lever, got 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's smooth. which is really good. The back here, I don't know. At the beginning, it feels weird on the hand, but later you get used to it. Then got fade blade. See this? Got a fade blade. You can see, very flat. The range is not much, or it's okay. Oh, the range is not much, or it's okay. You see, and this is the power button and a flashlight. So when you press the flashlight, okay. And what can I say? Got a ceramic cutter blade. A ceramic cutter blade. Yeah. And power on. Got 7,000 RPM here. So 7,100. You see that? Till 9,000 RPM. Like I said before, the future is here. It's not bad. So, the RPM. See the fade blade? See that? So let me cut the blade. So we're gonna make an RPM test without the blade.